My name is Paul, I'm with CJC Off-Road, and today we're going to discuss the Synergy steering system and address an issue that some people have called to discuss with us or emailed or even commented on some of the common internet forums that are out there. And that issue is drag link flop. As you can see, even this tie rod has a little spot right here where this has made contact, and that was from improper setup. This truck's come in here and we've fixed that, and we're gonna explain to you how. When you set this up, the joint on this end is gated so that it moves in a single plane. As you can see right here, this is all the motion you get out of this end. So you set this up so it's flat, and then you're gonna take your drag link and make sure that it's flat also. The bend is pointing straight ahead, and this one is not making contact with this. Then you're gonna lock down your jam nut. Then you're gonna set the other tie rod end on the other end of the drag link so that it's parallel to this to this tie rod end. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna keep this from making contact no matter how much bouncing you get. Now, make sure that you check this clearance when the truck is on the ground. We only have this truck in the air so that we can get a clearer shot to show you how it works. So just to wrap it all up, this is a great product. You get greasable tie rod ends that are easily replaceable for a very small amount of money. I run this on my personal truck. I do a lot of off-roading, jump my truck, beat it into the ground more than most people do. I haven't had any issues. I actually have the original tie rods on it for the last 50, 60,000 miles with no discernible play in them. The whole tie rod flop isn't really an issue as far as something that's a design flaw. It's just a setup thing. You got to set it up right, and then this thing will give you years of service with no issues. If you have any other questions, give us a call or email us at sales@cjcoffroad.com. So now, Andrew says I talk really loud and then I trail off to a whisper, but I don't think I do that. And he's just a young kid that needs to get off of my lawn.